सर्वं स्वागतम। केंद्रीय विद्यालय आईआईटी पवई के इस ऑनलाइन स्पोर्ट्स कार्यक्रम में, जैसा कि विदित है, इस कोविड ने हमें बहुत सारी चीज़ें सीखने के लिए मजबूर किया है। उसी क्रम में हम आज ऑनलाइन स्पोर्ट्स कार्यक्रम आयोजित किए हैं। इस ऑनलाइन कार्यक्रम की शुरुआत सबसे पहले हम दीप प्रज्वलन कार्यक्रम करके करेंगे। मैं विद्यालय की प्राचार्य महोदया से अनुरोध करता हूं कि दीप प्रज्वलन करके कार्यक्रम की शुरुआत करें। जैसे कि हमें विदित है, दीप हमें अंधकार से प्रकाश की ओर लेकर जाता है। दीप प्रज्वलन करते हुए विद्यालय की प्राचार्य महोदया, उप प्राचार्य सर, SGFI खेल प्रतियोगिता में भाग लिए हमारे विद्यार्थी और हमारे विद्यालय के स्पोर्ट्स टीचर श्री वाले सर। इस ऑनलाइन स्पोर्ट्स डे सेलिब्रेशन में अब हम आगे बढ़ रहे हैं। एक सुंदर सा गीत आप लोगों के सामने प्रस्तुत किया जा रहा है, स्वागत गीत। हम उसका आनंद लें।
वेलकम टू केंद्रीय विद्यालय IIT पवई।
स्वागतम 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 शुभ स्वागतम 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 शुभ स्वागतम। आचार्य सूरज ने तुम्हारे आरती के गीत गाए। आचार्य सूरज ने तुम्हारे आरती के गीत गाए। और स्वागत में हजारों फूल देखो मुस्कुराए मुस्कुराए मुस्कुराए। चाँद सूरज ने तुम्हारे आरती के गीत गाए। आरती के गीत गाए। आज लांछन भर दुआरे आपसे उपहार ले। आज लांछन भर दुआरे आपसे उपहार ले। और सुधियों का मधुरतम और सुधियों का मधुरतम हम तुम्हें अभिसार दे अभिसार दे अभिसार दे। आज बंधन वार हमने आपकी खातिर सजाए। चाँद सूरज ने तुम्हारे आरती के गीत गाए। आरती के गीत गाए। आज लहरों की गली में गीत की बारात आई। आज अधरों की गली में गीत की बारात आई।
इसी ऑनलाइन स्पोर्ट्स डे सेलिब्रेशन क्रम में मैं विद्यालय के खेलकूद शिक्षक श्री SK वाले सर को आमंत्रित करता हूं कि आकर यहां पर जानकारी आप लोगों को दें।
धन्यवाद सर। विद्यालय के सभी को नमस्कार। विद्यालय के प्राचार्य मैडम श्रीमती ममता भट्टाचार्य, आज के मुख्य अतिथि श्रीमान डॉक्टर सेनगुप्ता, सीनियर स्पोर्ट्स ऑफिसर IIT बॉम्बे, विद्यालय के नॉमिनी चेयरमैन श्रीमान सुप्रतीक सर, विद्यालय के उप प्रधानाचार्य श्री निखिलेश कुमार सिंह सर, सभी मेरे अभिभावक, विद्यालय के मेरे सभी अध्यापक और अध्यापिका और प्यारे विद्यार्थी सभी को पुनः नमस्कार। आज के आधुनिक युग में भारत देश में और विश्व में कोरोना जैसे भी महामारी बीमारी का संकट आने के बावजूद भी सभी लोग अपना अपना कारोबार अच्छी तरह से पूरी तरह से करने का कोशिश कर रहे हैं। ऐसी स्थिति में भारत सरकार की ओर से और केंद्रीय विद्यालय संगठन के मार्गदर्शन पर जिन्होंने अंग्रेजी के गुलामी भी अपना खेलकूद में जलवा दिखाया और अच्छी तरह से अपना आर्मी में दिन रात कारोबार संभालकर देश का नाम ऊंचा किया, ऐसे महान खिलाड़ी हॉकी के जादूगर मेजर ध्यानचंद के नाम जन्म दिवस के अवसर पर आज 29 अगस्त 2020 उनकी 115वीं जयंती के रूप में राष्ट्रीय खेल दिवस ऑनलाइन नेशनल स्पोर्ट्स डे पूरे देश में मनाने जा रहे हैं। आओ हम सब खेल को दे ऊंचा सम्मान, आओ हम सब खेल को दे ऊंचा सम्मान। देश प्रतिष्ठा पाएगा बच्चे करें विकास, देश प्रतिष्ठा पाएगा बच्चे करें विकास। दृश्य बदलता जा रहा है यही समय की मांग, दृश्य बदलता जा रहा है यही समय की मांग। खेले और खिलाए हाँ देशवासियों का सम्मान। ऐसे उद्गार खुद माननीय प्रधानमंत्री जी नरेंद्र मोदी जी के हैं। ऐसे महान खिलाड़ी का आदर्श हमारे विद्यालय के छात्र और अभिभावक अपने सामने रखते हुए अपने अपने खेलों को हर साल केंद्रीय विद्यालय संगठन के राष्ट्रीय खेल में और एजेपा में अपना जलवा दिखाकर विद्यालय का और अपने परिवार का नाम ऊंचा करते हैं। अपने विद्यालय के छात्रों में विभिन्न खेल में अपना केवल नेशनल और एजेपा में अच्छा प्रदर्शन करके 2,77,000 कैश प्राइज प्राप्त किया। इतना ही नहीं, 4 छात्र खेल में पार्टिसिपेट किया। इन 4 छात्रों को हर महीना 10,000 गवर्नमेंट की तरफ से कैश मिलता है। इसके साथ 10 बच्चे इस साल एजेपा में भाग लिया और आज तक अपने विद्यालय के 6 बच्चे अंतर्राष्ट्रीय स्तर पर देश की ओर प्रतिनिधित्व किया। तो उस 6 बच्चों का नाम निम्नलिखित है। मैत्रानी भोसले तैराकी, आर्यन भोसले तैराकी, आर्यन मेश्राम आइस स्केटिंग, श्रुति सावंत एरोबिक, नितिन देशमुख कबड्डी और रग्बी, आर्या गंधर्व फुटबॉल। ये 6 बच्चे अपने देश की ओर से प्रतिनिधित्व किया अंतर्राष्ट्रीय स्तर पर। तो आज 29 अगस्त हॉकी का जादूगर मेजर ध्यानचंद के जन्मदिन के शुभ अवसर पर हमारे विद्यालय के छात्रों को माननीय श्रीमती ममता भट्टाचार्य की ओर से केंद्रीय विद्यालय संगठन की ओर से जो छात्र केवीएस नेशनल में एजेपा में अपना जलवा दिखाकर केवीएस की ओर से कैश अवार्ड प्राप्त किया, आज उन्हें विद्यालय की ओर से नारायण के हाथ से आज सम्मानित किया जाए।
धन्यवाद वाले सर। प्यारे विद्यार्थियों, जैसा कि आपने देखा कि हमारे विद्यार्थियों ने देश विदेश सभी जगहों पर अपने नाम को रोशन किया है। इसमें वाले सर का योगदान है। वाले सर के पीछे जिनका मार्गदर्शन रहता है, मैं प्राचार्य महोदया को यहाँ पर आमंत्रित करता हूँ।
A very warm good morning to one and all present here. Distinguished guest of honor, Mr. K. Sen Gupta, Senior Sports Officer, IIT Bombay, my dear learned colleagues and parents, and dear students. Today we all are here to celebrate National Sports Day on the birth anniversary of the great Major Dhyan Chand, the great hockey player of our country. Last year on this day, 29th August 2019, Fit India movement is launched by our Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji, to encourage people to remain healthy and fit by including physical activities in their daily life. KVS, as a committed organization and the most trusted education brand in the country, to promote a culture and games within and outside the organization, to nurture and support all talented students from young and tender age. I am not the appropriate person to talk about health and fitness, but based on my observation and my own practice, here I am to share two things with you all. One of the things that I have to be very keen on learning these days is the longevity of life and our well-being, especially in these pandemic times we are struggling for. When I was young like you, I was an NCC cadet. I have been marched with rifles on my shoulders and done a lot of uniform duties till my early college days. But then life changed. Due to job, promotion and leadership duties, everything changed in my life. Along with rewards came more responsibilities. Responsibility that sure did not make me a very well known, it made me a very famous too, a leader in the organization. But responsibilities that also I have to pay for. I lost my personal health and well-being. Stress being the number one in the list. Because on the one side I was getting praises and accolades, which I am still getting on, and I am proud to be for that, and thanks to all for that. But the same awards and rewards and recognition came with at a price that I had to pay for on the long term. Backaches, neck problems, weight gain and all the health problems you can imagine for any working officer of my age. But then what excited me to tell you, to share you my experience with you all, because what integrate me is to share is this is the need of today to change, to imagine and to think how to lead a balanced and healthy lifestyle. We should thank our Prime Minister to witness this day as to start the Fit India movement and mark this day as a national sports event to be healthy and well-being of all citizens of this country. I feel myself to be proud and privileged to work my entire service life in many Army, Navy and Air Force based schools throughout the country. What amazed me the most from these serving officers is that their very simple exercise and nutrition routines followed by them in their daily life. I mean, fitness as a whole is a very natural stating of being for them. Fitness as a lifestyle is just second nature for them. And what we should follow in our life program. The thing, the idea, they are very intentional with their choices. Choices in terms of what they eat, how much exercises they do, and what they get with their small, easily neglecting bases. So today here I am to promise with you, along with you, let's get more intentional with food and exercise and our postures in our daily life. Because life is not like this. Life, it is always full of stress. You like it or not, stress, success, and that the struggle of work-life balance will always be part of our life. If not for long, at least for some short brief years of all of our life. If we all try to make our very own fitness and well-being a lifelong priority and habit, then only we can survive for a long time in this earth, on this earth. Then no matter how stressful or how challenging the job you are doing, you will be always alright. You will be physically capable, mentally calm and nutritionally rich to sustain the winds and fly all along your life. So let's place today, I have a place today in front of you all to eat clean and healthy food, to get 10 minutes walk of every day, to do yoga or any form of exercise in daily, and make this part of my daily routine for the rest of my life. And I invite you all to join with me on this course. In a habit, it will take time, but if at this age of 59, I can promise in front of you that I will be more intentional about my fitness, nutrition and well-being, then why not you? What is the excuse stopping you from being your best from today onward? So let's promise together on this auspicious day that we all try our level best to keep ourselves healthy, fit, so that we have a long and beautiful life ahead. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Kendriya Vidyalaya IIT Powai welcomes our guest of honor, Dr. Kalikinkar Sengupta. He is the Senior Sports Officer, IIT Bombay.
Hello all of you. I am Dr. K. Sengupta, Senior Sports Officer of IIT Bombay. Today, I had been given the responsibility of speaking something about legendary sport person Dhyan Chand. In 1928, he first represented British India to Olympics, but in 1936, German Supreme did not allow him in the team. Then he represented India as a leader, captain of the team. By seeing his performance, whole world appreciated, and that time German government given him colonel position in army, provided he migrate to Germany. But this great man, great sportsman, said he would like to represent India rather than Great Britain. He did not take the offer, and in 1936 he came back winning gold, all 3 years gold, all 3 Olympics gold, and served Indian Army as major. This is all about Dhyan Chand. Today his birth anniversary, and country celebrate this day as National Sports Day. In KV, every year it was obviously on-field practical shows of National Sports Day. But due to this COVID-19 pandemic, this year KV has decided to celebrate it online. I am very glad to be associated with this KV in their celebration of National Sports Day. Here students, they perform exercises, all sort of fitness things to keep themselves fit mentally, physically, to be a all-round developed well-being. I always wish and pray to KV that they should keep doing this as of every year. As soon as this pandemic gets over, they should come down to practical on-field in action. I wish all best to all the students, dignitaries, guests, teachers. Best of luck for the celebration of National Sports Day. Thank you.
Thank you, sir, for accepting our invitee. Kendriya Vidyalaya IIT Powai, Mumbai teachers workout for fitness.
राष्ट्रीय खेल दिवस की सभी को हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं। और खेलों का हमारे जीवन में बहुत ज़्यादा महत्व है। हम सबको इस पर पूरी तरह ध्यान देना चाहिए। हम सभी जानते हैं कि खेल से क्या होता है, लेकिन हम वो अपने जीवन में जो है करके नहीं देखते हैं। तो हमें रेगुलर प्रैक्टिस के साथ में खेल को अपनाना चाहिए। इसका मतलब ये नहीं है कि मतलब अगर मान लीजिए अगर आप बहुत अच्छे स्पोर्ट्समैन नहीं है तब भी आपको जो है रेगुलर एक्सरसाइज और अपने आप को फिट रहने की पूरी कोशिश करनी चाहिए। इस वक्त पे हमें अपने बड़े बड़े खिलाड़ियों को, जिनमें सबसे बड़ा नाम आता है मेजर ध्यानचंद जी का, जो कि महानतम हमारे जो है हॉकी के जादूगर रहे हैं, और हमें उनसे बहुत कुछ सीखने की ज़रूरत है। रेगुलर प्रयास हमें फिट बनाता है, तो हमें कोशिश करते हैं अच्छा खाना और अच्छा खेल, यह हमारे जीवन का अंग होना चाहिए। सभी को पुनः खेल दिवस की, राष्ट्रीय खेल दिवस की बहुत शुभकामनाएं। धन्यवाद। थैंक यू।
केंद्रीय विद्यालय संगठन राष्ट्रीय खेल प्रतिस्पर्धा लगभग इसी समय में आयोजित करता है हर वर्ष। इस वर्ष कोरोना की वजह से ये हम इसको ऑनलाइन सेलिब्रेट कर रहे हैं। जैसा कि हम सब जानते हैं, खेलों का महत्व हमारे जीवन में बहुत ज़्यादा है और हमारे देश में बहुत अच्छे अच्छे खेल रत्न प्रदान किए हैं। तो उसमें सबसे टॉप में अगर मैं नाम लूँ तो मेजर ध्यानचंद का होता है, और मेजर ध्यानचंद हम इन्हें हॉकी का जादूगर मानते हैं और कहते हैं और सब तरीके से। जबकि हम परतंत्र थे उस समय भी हमें उन्होंने गोल्ड मेडल दिलाया। तो ऐसे व्यक्तित्व को के जन्मदिन को हम सेलिब्रेट कर रहे हैं और मैं सबको इस स्पोर्ट्स इवेंट के लिए शुभकामनाएं देता हूँ। धन्यवाद।
मैं आर.एन. प्रसाद, TGT संस्कृत। खेल के माध्यम से शरीर का पूरा व्यायाम होता है। स्वस्थ शरीर में स्वस्थ मस्तिष्क का वास होता है। जब हमारा मस्तिष्क स्वस्थ रहेगा, दुनिया के सब काम हम अच्छी तरह से कर सकते हैं।
Thank you, teachers. Kendriya Vidyalaya IIT Powai Mumbai students commit to be fit.
During a pandemic like COVID-19, it is very crucial to maintain our physical and mental health. As we all thought that this coronavirus period will be very short, but it has been with us now since a long time. Therefore, we have to mold our lifestyle along with coronavirus until vaccines are fully prepared or made. Maintaining social distancing and physical health simultaneously is a little bit complicated. But we don't have to compromise with our physical health due to social distancing or a pandemic, because we can physically work out at our home only. Consistency is a key for getting better in anything. All we need to do is to take us some time for ourselves, around 30 minutes to 1 hour every day. There are plenty of exercises that require no equipment, like squats, sit-ups, planks, push-ups, and mountain climbing. I, being a sports person since 3rd standard, our sports teacher, Mr. S.K. Wale sir, has taught us how to equally balance our mental, physical health and studies. In the days of lockdown, he guided us to do various exercises by sending us home workout videos. I am every day doing physical and mental exercises for my well-being. Whenever I am free, I go for a walk or short run so that I can get some fresh air. In morning and evening, I am doing meditation at least for 30 minutes to relax my mind and body.
Marin Mishram, and I am studying in class 9th of KVIIT Powai, and I have been representing KVIIT Powai in SGFI level of skating, and I have been playing ice skating also, and I have participated in International Ice Skating Championship, and I am a member of Indian Ice Skating.
My name is Anshita Sharma. I am from class 10th D in KVIIT Powai. My sport event is athletics, in which I am regional and national player.
Hello, I am Sudarshan Arun Kumar of class 9B, school KVIT Powai. My sport is cricket. I have been the captain for the under-14 team for the last 2 years. Last year, our team participated in the under-14 cluster cricket tournament and we won. We also participated in the regionals and we came 3rd in that event. Whenever we have any doubts of shot making or physical fitness, then our coach Wale sir helps us and he guides us.
Hello, I'm Abronin Chaudhary of Kendriya Vidyalaya IIT Powai and I study in class 11B. So I have been participating for our school cricket team since last 4 years in the age category of under 17, and I have played various tournaments across Mumbai and Maharashtra for our cricket team. And also before the lockdown we used to practice daily with our team, and now due to this lockdown we are all in our house safely, but then at the same time we are doing all the exercises and few drills of cricket as guided by our coach and our sports teacher Wale sir.
हेलो, मेरा नाम अथर्व हंडे है। मैं कक्षा 9वीं अ में हूँ। मैं बास्केटबॉल और एथलेटिक्स में गया हूँ। बास्केटबॉल में मेरे क्लस्टर और एथलेटिक्स में रिलायंस गया हूँ, और मैं लॉकडाउन में भी अपनी एक्सरसाइज करता हूँ घर पे।
Hi, I am Shabna from class 9B of KVIT Powai. I have been practicing skating for 7 years now, and skating is my sport. I have participated for nationals, and I practice sports every day, even in quarantine. By clips with Sir Hassan, and I also do some cardio exercises and go for running every day. I hope everyone practices sports during quarantine. Thank you.
conducted in the Vidyalaya. All students passing with more than 80% marks were given e-certificates. Thank you, dear students, for making the program a grand success.
Major Dhyan Chand was an Indian hockey player widely regarded as the greatest hockey player in the history of the sport. He was known for his extraordinary goal-scoring feats, in addition to earning 3 Olympic gold medals in 1928, 1932 and 1936, during an era where India dominated field hockey. His influence extended beyond these victories, as India won the field hockey event in 7 out of 8 Olympics from 1928 to 1964. Known as the Wizard or the Magician of Hockey for his superb ball control, he played internationally from 1926 to 1949 and scored 570 goals in 185 matches. The Government of India awarded Dhyan Chand India's third highest civilian honor of Padma Bhushan in 1956. His birthday, 29th of August, is celebrated as National Sports Day in India every year. Dhyan Chand was born in Prayagraj, formerly known as Allahabad, on 29th of August 1905 as Dhyan Singh. Young Dhyan Singh had no serious inclination toward sports. Though he loved wrestling, he stated that he did not remember whether he played any hockey worth mentioning before he joined the army, though he said that he occasionally indulged in casual games in Jhansi with his friends. On 29th of August 1922, his 17th birthday, Dhyan Chand enlisted in the first Brahmins of the British Indian Army as a sepoy. Between 1922 and 1926, Dhyan Chand exclusively played army hockey tournaments and regimental games. Dhyan Chand was ultimately selected for the Indian Army team, which was to tour New Zealand. The Hindi word Chand literally means the moon, since Dhyan Singh used to practice a lot during the night after his duty hours. He used to wait for the moon to come out so that the visibility in the field improved. During his era, there were no floodlights. He was hence called Chand by his fellow players, as his practice sessions at night invariably coincided with the coming out of the moon. The newly formed Indian Hockey Federation made preparation to send its best possible team for 1928 Amsterdam Olympics. In 1925, an inter-provincial tournament was held to select the team members. Dhyan Chand got permission from the army to play for the United Province team. In its first game in the tournament, Dhyan Chand, as a centre forward, attracted much attention by his clever stick work. His penetrating runs and judicious passes seemed to assure for him a position in the team that is to take part in the Olympic Games. Dhyan Chand remains a legendary figure in India and in world hockey. His skills have been glorified in various apocryphal stories and anecdotes. A number of such, these revolve around the fact that Dhyan Chand had an extraordinary control over dribbling the ball. Dhyan Chand's birthday, 29th of August, is celebrated as National Sports Day in India. The President gives away sports-related awards such as the Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna, Arjun Award and Dronacharya Award on this day at the Rashtrapati Bhavan. The sole reason behind celebrating National Sports Day lies in championing the spirit of sportsmanship and propagating the message of various sports. The celebration highlights the overall importance of sports and gives a nudge to the masses in realizing the necessity of sporting activities in maintaining a healthy and fit body.
Hello everyone, myself B. Lavanya. TGT Art Education, Kendriya Vidyalaya IIT Powai. Art is the simplest form of expressing one's feeling. Every child is an artist. An online painting and poster making competition was organized in the Vidyalaya on account of National Sports Day 2020. The topics given were Major Dhyan Chand, Hockey ke Jadugar, Sports in India, and Your Dream Sports Personality. An e-certificate was given to all participants and winners of the competition. KVIIT Powai is happy to announce the result of drawing competition. First prize goes to Prisha Rupani, 6D. Second prize, Saini Iqbal, 8A. Third prize goes to Preeta Adsul, 6A. Thank you, dear students, for making the program a grand success.
प्राचार्य सर से अनुरोध करता हूं कि वो आशीर्वचन और धन्यवाद ज्ञापन करें। Respected Principal Madam, dear teachers, students and parents, as today we have assembled here to celebrate National Sports Day, that is on the birthday of Major Dhyan Chand, that is on 29th August. First of all, I would like to wish you all the very best and congratulations to all the students, parents, teachers. As you know, all over the country today this day is celebrated as a National Sports Day. When he was a child, his first coach, Pankaj Gupta, his real name was Dhyan Singh, but he gave him the title Chand. And he proclaimed that one day that child will be really like a shining moon in the sky. One remarkable quality of Major Dhyan Chand I am sharing with children: see the confidence that you have to develop. What is the confidence? In one of the international match he was playing and trying to score again and again, but he failed to score. He went to the referee and told him, I have a doubt that your goal post, the width of the goal post is not accurate. He argued with him and ultimately he was compelled to consider, yes, let me measure the goal post. And Major Dhyan Chand was correct. He had to change the goal post, and that match Dhyan Chand also won due to that one. That was the confidence. So we can see the quality, the achievement, as Ma'am and Sir has said with you, that he was given the Padma Bhushan award also. In his name, since 2002, Government of India is also giving the award, Major Dhyan Chand award, for the best sports person in our country. So that was the glorious history. But today, on this occasion, this is about him. Now about you children. About you means what I want to tell you, that if there is a healthy body, there is healthy mind. So generally this is for our, that everyone has to be fit. If you are physically fit, only then you can remain mentally fit. And only then you can make progress. कुछ पेरेंट्स हमारे सामने हैं, मैम भी हैं, हम लोग बचपन में सुनते
पढ़ोगे लिखोगे तो बनोगे ना, खेलोगे लिखोगे तो बनोगे ना। मैं इसको ऑप्शन पढ़ोगे लिखोगे तो बनोगे ना, और खेलोगे लिखोगे तो बनोगे सुल्तान। मैं उसे क्यों पढ़ूंगा? सुल्तान। You can see this. Whether in present time you can see what is the achievement, the respect, the wealth that the players are enjoying and earning in their life. Definitely the concept has changed. On this day, we should now celebrate. Just in the name of celebration, we have to take a decision, a commitment to ourselves. Why not India is coming up to that level? We are not scoring anything in our life, in sports. So that is a very good thing that you should keep. I would like to thank our principal ma'am, Walid sir, Lavanya ma'am, Trilok sir, Santosh sir, Jiten sir for making this program successful, and our teachers.
Please stand up for the national anthem.